In today's video, I'll guide you on how to add birthdays to Google Calendar. It's a handy feature to keep track of special occasions. So first, head to Google Calendar at calendar.google.com. Then on the left side, make sure birthday is ticked. Next, navigate to Google Contacts at contacts.google.com. In here, click on Create Contact in the top left corner and do it again. Now enter the person's name and scroll down to find birthday. Add their birthday and click Save. After that, return to your calendar and refresh the page if needed. You'll see the birthday added at the top. It's that simple. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.